The fence on bandsaws can normally be adjusted up to 45 degrees. Bevel cutting at small angles doesn't present a problem and can be useful, for example, for cutting the draft required on patterns for casting and on moulds for vacuum forming. But larger bevels are more awkward when working with the table set at, for example, 45 degrees, as in this case. The only safe way of cutting a bevel at such angles is to set up the fence on the right of the blade and to use it as a support for the workpiece. As an alternative, you can leave the table set at 90 degrees and use a jig to create the required angle. In this case, to cut bevels at 45 degrees to take the corners off a square prior to mounting the work on the wood turning lathe.